3, 2.
Nope.
It's Portland, bro. Nice. Hey guys, back with another video here. Doing a dual caliper setup today. Super jacked. This is amazing. So we went all out and got the Seems Legit garage kit. And boy, does it seem legit. I mean, these are pretty sick. So it comes with some hardware, the lines, brakes. I got the 4-piston big boy calipers. Oh man, 4-piston Willwood Racing. Woo. Can't wait to put those on. Standard pads. Yeah, so let's get to it. All right, so to get the caliper off, 2 16s, and then it's a 6 mil to get this stupid thing off, and then the rotor is stuck on there. So you take the old Tanya Harding. Boom sauce. Mid. So now, from what I understand, we have to take the backing plate and cut it off. We have to take the brakes out. These are for the shoes, these are for the parking brake. I don't have the parking brake anymore because of where I put the hydro. Jump cut. Unless I forget. So I put the hydro right here. This is where the stock e-brake is. So I don't have that anymore, so we can go ahead and delete that. And yeah, get right to it. So if you're removing these and you don't care about putting it back together, it takes a 5mm Allen. You stick it in here, push down, you twist it, boom, comes right out. And then you have to rotate the hub to get to the other one. So it has to be in neutral with the e-brake off. Haha, just kidding. No, wait, it does have to be off because the other side's still on. You do the same on this side. Whoop, twist it, get out of there. And then you just whack it off of there. Something like that. Boom, look at that. Look how easy that was. So now we'll unbolt all this junk. What is this? Get out of there. So now that's the cable. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on, get out of there. All right, so we'll unbolt this and we'll cut it off there. Just gonna 10 snip it right off there, bud. Boom.
Beautiful.
Shazam.
Rip it, rip it, rip it. Show the muscle.
It's way stronger than me.
That vein pop a little bit. Or music to it. Talk to me.
We cut the flange or the backing plate, so now we're putting on the bracket, and there's a little bolt that goes up here with a washer, bolt here with a washer, bolt here with a washer, and then it takes an Allen from the back side where the e-brake line goes through, and then it'll bolt on just like that. And so I think I'm going to use some blue Loctite on all this because I don't want it coming loose. Is it recording? So don't make the same mistake I did. There's different lengths of Allen bolts. So there's 2 shorties and a long boy. And I put a shorty in the back and it like went in a couple threads and got tight, and I was like, And sure enough, there's a long one. So the long one is the one that goes for the bracket. The short ones hold the caliper on. Whoops.
There we go.
How's that? Are we live?
Well, we're live, buddy.
There's snacks.
Snacks.
Got her all bolted up, baby.
Look at that.
Looks so sick, dude.
Willwood.
It's pretty lit. I think what we'll do is I just put the bolts in hand tight. What we'll do is we'll just run the lines, and then once we run the lines, then we'll... It's Portland, bro.
Wait, wait.
Bro, keep that thing on me, you know what I'm saying?
Anyway.
Anyways, we'll run the lines, and then we'll probably take these bottom bleeders out. It looks like it comes with some set screws. There's some like plugs to plug off the bottom bleeders. So that's 4 bleeders, and then because you can use these calipers, they're the same for left and right, and so it just flips over. And you want to use the top bleeders, so you get the air out, air up, top bleeders. Plug the bottom. We think.
Dude.
Imagine these aren't for plugging it. Wait, let me redo that. Shout out to Seems Legit Garage for getting this shipped out on the double. Appreciate you guys, 100%. Shout out to Chase Bays for sending me the wrong line kit, so then I forced myself to do dual calipers.
You better leave that in.
I'll leave that in. Chase Bays, bitches. Bro, I'm like, I gotta get to an event this weekend, and they're like, okay, send them back unless they need the right ones. I'm like, it's this weekend. It's gonna take weeks, man. I got weeks, bro. Seems Legit was like, bro, we're sending this dish out ASAP. I was like, dang.
Okay, where are we at now? What do we got going on?
So I'm gonna do regular tea, so it has equal priority.
What?
Equal priority on.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't do it the other way. So we got the lines ran from the calipers. I send up the T from the master.
Yes. We are teamed up.
Those in. Lines ran. Should clear fine. And then ran down to the hydro. Boom, baby.
Nice.
There you go.
State. What up, guys? We're back. We finished everything up. The lines are ran. Did we show them?
Not some crazy busy ties.
So the lines were crazy long, so we kind of did some weird stuff, but looks pretty good. We got the lines ran through the chassis to the wheel woods, get them mounted up, pads in, everything's tightened down with some blue Loctite. We got the hydro in there. Everything's mounted up. Lines are routed, and we bled everything, and it feels great. So let's put her together and go do a test rip with it. Make sure she works right.
Oh, she minty.
Man. Nothing works great. How that mirror turns down.
Yeah.
It's too much sauce.
Too much sauce.
I might be able to initiate a little bit.
Yeah.